Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jio Finance app for ITR filing. Open the Jio Finance app and sign in with your mobile number, then verify OTP. Tap the Taxes or ITR section, choose File ITR, and select the relevant ITR form. Gather PAN, income statements, and bank details. Follow on-screen prompts to upload Form 26 as or salary slips, review entries carefully, and proceed to verification and submission. Start by organizing all necessary documents on your phone or cloud storage for quick access. Open the Jio Finance app and navigate to the ITR filing workflow. Use the upload feature to attach Form 16 and Form 26 as screenshots or PDFs. If any income comes from freelancers or investments, include those statements as well. Double-check PAN and bank account numbers for refunds, then move to the guided data entry screens, step by step. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, reminders, and hands-free help while you work through apps like Jio Finance, and it makes filing feel a bit less tedious. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Grab one if it helps your workflow. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the Jio Finance app prompts to select the correct ITR form for your income type. Enter income sources, taxable deductions like 80C, 80D, and report capital gains if any. Review the computed tax liability and tax paid shown by the app and rectify mismatches early. Upload supporting documents when prompted, save a draft if needed, and then choose E-Verify. Complete verification via Aadhaar OTP, net banking, or EVC to finalize your e-filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.